Thank you for tuning into a new video by Canon Trading. I'm going to talk about the Treasury Bond Auction. It's usually the Treasury bonds, the 10 years, and other bonds that the US government issues. And what I've noticed over the last good couple of years is that those auctions actually have a very meaningful effect on the prices of stock index futures, such as the mini S&P that I'm sharing the chart right here. So during this video, we will listen to today's T-bond auction. We'll see what the results. We'll see how the market reacts as far as price action. And by market reacting, I'm talking both about mostly the mini S&P, but we're also going to follow up on the bonds over here and see how is that looking like. And we will also utilize a resource called tradethenews.com. You will hear it in the background, and we will hear the results. And if a trade presents itself, we may take a trade. Again, this is in demo, and futures trading is risky, and this material is for educational purposes. But I think once you see the price action, understand the concept, you'll be able to apply your own research and progress from there. And that is really the purpose of this video. So we got about 30 seconds for the announcement. And so far, it seems like the direction of the market prior to the auction is up, as you can see. Let me see if I can bring it down a little bit. Okay, and we're trading right around the 52.29 on the S&P. And notice what happened with the prices as soon as the note auction, the Treasury bond auction comes through. And we are waiting, and while we're waiting, I'm going to share with you the actual page on Trade the News so you can see. Oh, and my inclination will be to try and buy the dip once the auction comes through. Okay. And I feel like I missed the buying of the dip. That should have been taking place a little bit sooner. And I was slow enough. I was slow on the actual placing the order, to be honest with you. My instinct, based on the research that I've done, that usually when the auction comes out, the market will have a counter trend pullback if there was a trend, and then it will resume. In this case, we didn't really see much of a pullback. It just really gave us about 3-4 points dip, and then jump to test the day's high, as you can see. So again, this is just for you as a informational, another factor or another event to research. It's called the Treasury Bond Auctions. And on the daily blog that Canon Trading sends every day, we also share the reports for the next day. And if there's a bond auction, we will specify it. And I will show you here in a second what it looks like. And just knowing that and doing some research can help you with certain setups. In the case that what I was trying to do was to try and buy it around that level right around here and do a 3-point profit, 4-point stop loss. In hindsight, and obviously in demo, it would have worked, but I did not. I was not quick enough. Let's put it this way.